We are looking at this. This is the lovely Rev-Tech Phantom 220 watt kit. And as you can see guys, there is the mod and the tank. We also get a little user booklet. M4 mesh coil, very nice. This is the spare coil that we do get guys. As you can see, we do have 4 little mesh coils going on inside. So this is the Drift 2 tanker. So let's just pour some juice in. There we go. We do have a lovely little box of M1s, M3s and M4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. As you can see, we do have the Rev-Tech logo come up there then, and we do